Hello mga kalakwatsero! Tara, samahan niyo akong libutin ang isa sa pinakasikat na pasyalan dito sa Japan. Ito ay ang Nara Park or Deer Park. Ito ay isa sa mga pinakalumang park dito sa Japan that was established in 1880. Nara Park is the home of over 1,200 wild chika o deer, freely roaming around the park with a lot area of about 502 hectares. Dito sa Japan, ang mga usang ito ay kinukonsider na messenger of gods. Nara's over 1,000 deer have become a symbol of the city and have been designated as a natural treasure. Deer crackers or shikasenbei are for sale around the park, and some deers have learned to bow to visitors begging to be fed. At ayun na nga, ang tamad magbow nung usan na napili natin i-video. Hindi nagbow? Mission failed tayo? According to the Shinto tradition and folklore, Nara deers were sacred. At noong unang panahon, ang pagkatay at pagkain sa mga usang ito ay may karapatang parusa na tanging buhay mo din ang kapalit. These days, ang mga usang ito ay hindi na considered na sagrado. Pero, just to honor the tradition, sila ay ginawang national treasure, which is why makikita mo silang paggala-gala ng libre sa palibot ng park. In fact, that is why the park is sometimes called Nara Deer Park or Japan's Deer Forest. As for human refreshments, marami ding restaurants and traditional tea houses sa palibot ng park, as well as kiosk na nagbebenta ng mga souvenirs. Nara Park is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. At sa mga nagtatanong naman paano pumunta dito, from Osaka Station, sumakay lamang ng tren papuntang JR Nara Station. It will only takes 30 to 45 minutes ride at mararating mo na ang Nara Park. Kaya if you're planning a trip to Japan, Nara Park is a must-see destination. It is unique, beautiful and historic, with many charming creatures. Watashi no Mijikai Virago o Mite korete arigato! Matatsugi no virago o aishimashou. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!